Hey, so this is the Milwaukee Packout Rolling Toolbox set. As you can tell, we are adding to our collection. I started getting these for my husband for Father's Day and his birthday, but in reality, they're a gift for me because they organize all of those tools and screws and everything that was in the garage just thrown around. This is the big daddy. This is the main event. This is the toolbox and dolly. So you want to start with these. We have two of them. And you're going to add toolboxes that go on top of them. This has got heavy duty handles. It's got the rubber tires that help glide it. These are the heavy duty latches. I mean, this thing is probably my favorite gift I've ever gotten my husband in all reality. So the main toolbox, you're going to have two little plastic trays. Now these little dividers, we actually store these in here. Those are from the rest of the toolboxes that we haven't put in yet. But these are the two little plastic trays. Ample storage space down there. I mean, we have drills, we have different saws, we have all sorts of things in there. But this one comes with the two trays, and then you just latch the lid, super easy. And then you can put more toolboxes on top of it, or you can just use this one if you want. If you think this is going to hold all your tools and you're good to go, you don't have to add anything to it. We just keep adding to it just to help keep organized. But I mean, I can glide this thing physically and there's no problem. And it's full of tools. I can move it around with ease, and I don't need to ask my husband to help me. I love it.